Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We were given f of x plus 955 equals ax plus b. Also, f of 999 equals 2005. Then f of 1000 equals 2050. We are trying to find a minus b given this expression. I'll be solving this in two different ways. So if you know how to solve this, you can drop it in the comment box. So let's start with the solution. And we consider the first method for method 1. So let's start with f of 999, which equals 2005. Here, from the functions, we have f of x plus 955 equals ax plus b. Suppose I let x equals 45. If I let x equals 45, I want to get f of 1000, because when we add 45 with 955, we are getting 1000. And since f of 1000 equals 2050, then we have f of 45 plus 955 equals, anywhere we see x, we are going to be replacing it with 45. So a gives us 45a plus b. And we know from this side, this equals f of 1000 equals 45a plus b. But f of 1000, it gives us 2050. So by replacing this, we have 2050 equals 45a plus b. So I call this one equation 1. And also I need f of 999. What I will do is, if I let x equals 44, because we only need to subtract 1 from 1000 and we get 999. So since we let the first one to be 45, so which means we let this one to be 44. So I'm doing all this substitution because the given function f of the values need these values. So and this value will make it complete, so that's why we let them. Then we have f of, substituting this one into the function as well, we have f of 44 plus 955 equals, we have 44a plus b. Next we have f of 999 equals 44a plus b. And f of 999, it gives us 2005 equals 44a plus b. I'm solving this step by step. So we have two different equations. The equation 1 is 45a plus b equals 2050. And the second equation is given as 44a plus b equals 2005. So here is a system of equations, simultaneous equation. We have to provide the solution to a and b, then we subtract the two according to the asked questions. So if I subtract these two equations, we are going to have, so here is the equation 1, and equation 2 is 44a plus b equals 2005. So by subtracting this, we have 45a minus 44a, that gives us a. Then equals b minus b, that cancels. Then 2050 minus 2005. So this gives us 45. So our value of A equals 45. And also let's find the value of B by taking any of these two equations. Suppose I say from equation 1, which is 45A plus B equals 2050. Then by substituting the value of A, we are going to have 45 multiplied by 45 plus B equals 2050. And by taking these two sides, we have B equals 2050 minus 45 times 45. And we subtract these together, we have B equals 20. We have B equals 25. Then, by subtracting this from each other, we have A minus B equals 45 minus 25. This gives us 20. So 20 is the value of A minus B. And let's solve this using another method. For method 2, suppose I let x plus 955 equals t. So we have x here equals t minus 955. By substituting, we have f of t equals a into bracket of x is now t minus 955, then plus b. Opening this, we have a times t, that is at minus a times 955, have 955a plus b. You can just group this so that we have f of t equals at plus b minus 955a. So this is what we have for f of t. So since we have this, then we can now let our t equals 999. So we find f of 999. F of 999 equals, anywhere we see t, we replace it. So this gives us 990 plus, so here we have b minus 955a. So here is a because we are substituting the value of a. Then when we subtract these two from each other, we are going to have, subtracting this from this, so that gives us 40. We are going to get 44a plus b equals, but f of 999 is given as 205. And we check for the second one as well. Substituting at t equals 1000, we are going to have 45a plus b equals 2050. And we solve this, we get the same answer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.